I don't know any community on earth where they all think the same and all have the same opinion. So it's just
even think about your immediate family and their siblings. Do you think the same and have the same views?
Yeah, do you agree on issues? Yeah. So we're no exception. That we all have different views. And in fact, when Carla and I are running cultural awareness training and that, we encourage people to find out other views, not just our own. We can give our own views, but we say, listen to other people. And we really encourage listening to all Indigenous voices. Not that you get schizophrenic from that, but it's important to listen to those different views, because we're all human beings at the end of the day, and we don't think the same about things. So Aboriginal people are no exception when it comes with regard to these things. There'll be some commonalities, and we'll explore that in our training, but there's also a difference. And so it's important to acknowledge both. Same kind and different kind. Yeah.
So in closing, Aunty Munya, we like to say,
in Yidigal Gona, and take care of yourselves and each other, and big SO to you.